Hello everyone, Sawadee. My name is Jane from Niagara College, Canada. Niagara College is a public college located in Niagara region of Ontario. And in 9 years in a row, we have been ranked among top 10 research college in Canada. Because we're located in Niagara region, very close to the border of US and Canada, which offers students very good opportunity to gain valuable work in supply chain. Niagara region is very famous for the Niagara Falls, where has more than 102,000 hospitality business, which offers students great opportunity to work in culinary and beverage studies. Moreover, we have a vineyard on campus, allow students to participate in every steps of the winemaking process. Niagara region is also famous for the environment because there are more than 170 farms and vineyards here. In this region is also famous for the ice wine. So if you are interested in environment studies, let's go to Niagara College. Student-focused, hands-on experience, and hospitable. And if you want to know more about Niagara College, we are a partner of Pacific Premier in Thailand. So let's reach out to Pacific Premier to know more about our school. Thank you so much.